Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a review for a product that you have bought on the Shein app. So let's get started right away. In order to do this, you will first need to have received the product already. So open up the Shein app on your device and proceed with logging into your account if you haven't done so already using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the shop page from which you can start shopping for various different items. Now, if you wish to leave a review for an item that you have bought, then tap on the messages icon at the top left corner. Once you tap on this, you will see the orders section. Tap on the orders button, and now this will show you all of the orders that you have made as well as the orders that you have received. Tap on the order that you have received within which you wish to add your review, and you will find the add review option. Just tap on the review box and you can proceed forward with entering your review and adding it for the product, which will appear on their product page so that other users can see it right away. And there you have it. That is how you can proceed forward with adding a review on any product that you have ordered from Shein. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.